Hello and welcome to SmartPrep. Today we will be doing an NBT AQL past paper. Question 35. A synonym for the word despite in the first sentence of the paragraph 2 is A, yet, B, therefore, C, notwithstanding, D, undoubtedly. And the answer is correct, notwithstanding. Question 36. The meaning of the phrase, open quote, a flight of fancy, close quote, in the first sentence of the second paragraph is to be found in another word in the same paragraph. A, skepticism in the same sentence. B, fantasy in the same sentence. C, exposure in the next sentence. D, whooshing in the next sentence. And the answer is correct, B, fantasy. Question 37. The word evoke in the first sentence of the second paragraph means A, put up, B, stir up, C, come up, D, touch up. And the answer is correct, B, stir up. Question 38. If a vision evokes skepticism, it means that those with whom it is shared are probably going to A, be enthusiastic about its happening, B, expect advice about its credibility, C, find it difficult to imagine happening, D, oppose it vehemently as a risky venture. And the answer for this one is correct, option C. Question 39. The fantasy mentioned in the first sentence of the paragraph
Right, thank you, Machepo. Now, if you guys would like more NBT AQL preparation videos, click on this playlist right here. And if you would like help with NBT maths preparation, this playlist right here. And if we helped you, please like, subscribe over here. Thanks very much, and see you on the next one.